huge.
I know.
Did you notice I didn't have enough salad to fill the bowl? It's so big.
I know, because this is our largest bowl that we have, Stacy. It's a 5-quart capacity. Now, here's what I love about a low-profile bowl, because you're probably like, wait, this is 5 quarts?
Yeah.
It's 5 quarts, but it's east to west, because when you want to get 5-quart capacity, a lot of times what you have to do is you have to get depth, right? And that's not always so pretty, and then you really do have to fill it.
And a lot of the accoutrements, like the walnuts or the if it was chunks of blue cheese, fall deep down into that cavity of the deep bowl.
You're right.
And you have to go really digging for them, and it's just a sloppy way to serve.
Yeah, because it's like a cone shape in the bottom, right?
Yeah, this is spread out, so things stay even.
It's just perfect. So it's that great 5-quart capacity, but this isn't just any bowl, right? Because you have the gorgeous scalloping all along the side with the braided design. By the way, seasonal color poinsettia that I'm showing you right here. So perfect for your Christmas table. Hand painted inside and outside. Look how gorgeous that little pedestal design is. 2 matching utensils. Use it with, use it without, but they're there when you need them with the ceramic handles and the stainless steel. You get the fork and the spoon, and then of course a recipe. So if you're gifting, it comes with a very good spinach salad. So look how
thoughtful.
Isn't this it's a perfect gift, but it's a perfect gift for yourself too.
Now we have it in Temp-tations, 2 most popular patterns, that is Old World and Floral Lace. The poinsettia is new this season for that, and the seasonals like this tend to go very, very quickly. So please do not wait on that. A bowl like this with the serving utensils would be a comparable value of $54. We're at a feature price of $35 and change, and on 2 easy payments. So essentially with a credit card order, you only get it home for $17.25. And these are like no joke. Like they're not flimsy serving pieces. People always ask me that in the chat when I'm sitting in the kitchen with David, and I tell them no, they are sturdy and durable, and it's a beautiful set. So we should walk through colors so people can start shopping. I just want to let you know it's customer top rated, but there's no reorder. So once poinsettia goes, or our other like winter, gone. It's not coming back for the season.
Yeah, and this we only have at this time of the year. There's the poinsettia. Come on over, and if you're thinking fast forward to the spring, or you love those pastel colors, here's spring fetty. Underneath there is confetti, which is all the Temp-tations colors combined. Here's the blue. And there's that eggplant. So pretty in the purple, isn't it? And then a fave Old World color in the green.
The original, what started the line, what, 17 years ago?
16 years ago.
I don't mean to age you.
You're aging me.
Bad, Stacy.
Then over here we have the red, and that's that beautiful Christmas red. If you like the warmer red tone, we call that cranberry. That's right here. Nothing like black. Like I think if you're thinking a wedding gift, a shower gift, that black is really pretty.
This is what I have for every day. I have the black Old World.
So pretty.
And then I collect a floral lace for special occasions, but I'll get to that later.
I love that. Underneath there's a spice, so if you're hosting Thanksgiving, how great would that be for your stuffing or your potatoes? And then the last color is that beautiful neutral of the brown.
Okay, moving along to floral lace now.
Sure. Now floral lace has that beautiful etching on the outside right there. This is winter that I'm showing you that has the snowflakes. Look at the beading at the top. And then we do the reverse on the inside, the hand painting of the lighter color. So here's winter. And then I love when we have it next to light blue so you can see the difference in the color. I'm sure you get that question a lot.
Absolutely. It's going to be my most limited.
Okay, got it. And then here's the floral lace blue, the most popular color that we have in floral lace. Then we have the green. Here's that beautiful Christmas red. If you want to get 2 for your holiday table, how pretty. Here's the cranberry, the warm red tone. And then next door to that is the black, Stacy, that really pretty toile color. The chocolate, which is like a melted Hershey bar to me. And then, what do you think of those 2 colors?
Eggplant. Number 1, eggplant is the one that I collect in floral lace. Oh yeah, because I have gray and black a lot in my kitchen. And I love to mix purple. That's why the Provence Le Creuset that we're featuring for the first time would go beautiful too with your Temp-tations.
Beautiful.
And then the spice.
Yeah,
beautiful. So autumnal. Obviously we did a salad in this, but think about how many pounds of mashed potatoes you're making, or stuffing that you're making. Pasta night, the perfect pasta bowl.
And even storing your pears. So the way we designed this bowl, what was so great about it is that when you want to use it, it's oven safe to 500 degrees. You pop it in the microwave, the refrigerator. But when you just want to leave it out as like a piece of artwork or a gorgeous bowl, there are 18 pears in here.
You know, there's something about we eat with our eyes.
Yes.
If I put this out on my counter,
yes,
okay, and filled it with these amazing pears,
yes,
this is what my kids would probably snack on. There's something inviting about this as opposed to just a plain bowl with some pears in it.
This is like a great centerpiece bowl because it looks great on square tables, rectangular tables, oval tables, any table. It looks gorgeous.
Awesome. And capacity, because you know what? You're not just going to serve in this. This is Temp-tations. These are pieces that you bake in and serve in, and could store leftovers if you wanted to in, could microwave in if you have a microwave big enough for this. Yeah, so let's go to the oven because this can go into the oven how high?
500 degrees.
Something so pretty.
So I love when I say the word broil, right? Because that brings me back to growing up. I don't think we say the word broil anymore.
I don't think so either, right?
Wait, did you have a broiler growing up? It used to be underneath the oven right here.
Yes.
You had one of those?
Oh yeah, that's old school.
Okay, so me too. And so we had that growing up, but you can still broil in a regular oven. And what does that mean? It means you're really melting everything on the top. So, you know, love that you can do things like nachos for a crowd, right?
Nachos are pretty popular tonight.
Oh, I know. Exactly.
The people don't realize the crew gets to eat a lot of this food as you're watching the show. Behind the scenes, they do it, and they love nachos because they're easy to pick and take on the go while they're still working.
And we all love that about it, right?
Yep.
And what do our customers love about bowls? They love the fact that bowls you prep in, right? You can serve in, you can store in, but they match back to all the other Temp-tations. Like bowls are a #1 customer request. And I know your show's about leftovers. So what we did here was we had some steak left over. So we made steak nachos.
Okay, but you could do leftover turkey
nachos. We were thinking, wouldn't that be fantastic?
Without a doubt.
To pop that in there. You could even put, I think nachos with a little bit of cranberry sauce would be very cool.
Well, I have a lot of vegan and vegetarians in my family. I like to eat a lot of vegan. You could do butter, like the leftover, like sweet potatoes.
Oh,
and build a vegetarian version and maybe put some spinach as your green on top of that, right?
I love that idea. I love that idea. And remember, it's stoneware, so it's going to keep your hot, like your nachos, but your cold. So things like your salads. And really, when you think about it, I know this is your salad, isn't it?
My fall harvest salad.
Oh, what's in that? I did it.
Oh, we have our leftover sweet potatoes.
Okay.
We have walnuts. We have a spring mix, so baby spinach, arugula, radicchio. We have craisins, or cranberries, and then we use the Harry and David pears. And then we did a cranberry. We took our leftover cranberry sauce and made a vinaigrette out of it with a little balsamic vinegar, sugar, and topped it with walnuts and Parmesan cheese.
Love that. And here's what I love: you have the matching utensils. So when you have a salad that needs to be tossed, and your point about having a bowl that goes east to west, everything's not falling to the bottom. It's really easy to toss. Fill it as high as you want, or you don't have to fill it so high.
Well, let's walk over because we want to do colors one more time. But I want to point out, this is naturally non-stick. So if you are going to bake in it, you don't necessarily have to grease it up, do you?
No, you don't. As a matter of fact, no extra fats, no extra oils. That's what we love about stoneware, and that's why our grandmothers loved it too, right? It was easy breezy cooking. At Temp-tations, we made it beautiful with the hand painting and all the beautiful designs and colors.
And even though it's hand painted and beautiful, it's dishwasher safe. It takes a beating. This pretty print that you see here, the poinsettia, doesn't come off.
No, it does not. So in Old World, we had the poinsettia, springfetti, confetti, blue, eggplant, green, red, cranberry, black, spice, and brown. And then in floral lace, we have the winter, the light blue, the cobalt blue, the green, the red, the cranberry, and then down by you, Stacey, we have the black, and we have the chocolate, and then those last two colors.
The eggplant and the spice. Okay, so 2 easy payments, $17.62 to get this home. No reorder, and your easy pay goes away at the end of the day. You get your serving utensils, and again, a nice little gift having a recipe that comes from the creator, Tara Tesher. Yeah, so wonderful. You're going to have more Temp-tations coming up. I made that panini, and we have some turkey soup, so we're going to have to plate that later. Okay?
Yum.